turn your home equity into a getaway that pays you back. Most likely, you've got equity sitting in your home, so why not turn it into a second property that pays you back and gives you a good excuse to unplug? And here's how. By buying a vacation home with the equity you already have, mortgage rates, well, they are where they are, and they're likely to remain there for some time, although none of us have a crystal ball on when they'll actually dip again. But what we do know is that home equity is at record highs, with some sellers having close to $300,000 or more. And bonus, certain vacation markets have actually cooled quite a bit in price, and that gives you a chance to strike while others are hesitating. So you can turn your primary home's equity into a second home that creates passive income, appreciates over time, and becomes your go-to escape when life gets crazy. So whether you're looking for a retreat in Hocking Hills, Lake Erie, or beyond, now is the time to act. DM me and let's look at your numbers and make your dream a reality. I'm Sheila Howell with Red Roan Realty here in Central Ohio, your real estate expert. So I would love to help you build wealth through real estate, simplifying your real estate journey.